This baby dancing video I just showed you is going crazy on TikTok right now. A lot of people keep asking how it was made. In this video, I'll show you exactly how I created it step by step using simple AI tools. No advanced editing skills needed. Make sure you watch till the end. Let's dive in.
Now, the first option is number 1. Go to Pinterest, open your Pinterest on your phone, or go to pinterest.com and go to the search bar and search for Pixar style baby image. So once you search for Pixar style baby image, you should see some images like this. Then download any one you want where a baby is standing. For instance, take a look at this Moana image. It's perfect for dancing because she's standing. So press down on it and download it to your phone. Scroll down and look for any other one you want. Now, the second option is where you can customize it perfectly to fit whatever you want. So for the next option, you're going to go to TikTok on your phone. Open your TikTok app and search for dancing baby video. So you should see something like all these baby dancing video. Then select anyone you want. Tap on anyone you want. When I see any baby style I like, I'm just going to tap on it and then ensure I pause it at some point where she is shown clearly. Once I pause it, I'm going to screenshot her. Once I take a screenshot of her, I'm going to go to the next step in creating my video. Now, the next step is head over to your Chatgpt. We're going to do this in 2 ways as well. Head over to your Chatgpt and then tap on the plus icon, which is right here, and upload the images. Upload the images you screenshot. So I'm going to upload 2 of them. After uploading the 2 of them, I'm going to ask Chatgpt to write me the exact prompt to create baby style images like this using different attires. So I said, write me 4 detailed prompts to create this type of baby images, male and female, with different cultural attires. And then I am going to send it, and we're going to wait for Chatgpt to create the prompt and send it to me. I'm going to be providing this prompt in my WhatsApp channel and my Telegram channel, so you can join using the link in the description of this video. Now our prompts are ready. I'm going to copy it and head over to my notepad. I have 4 different prompts on my notepad. I am going to copy this prompt and create one of the image on Chatgpt and the second one on Whisk AI. I will compare and choose one to animate our image. So I'm going to copy the first prompt and then go back to my Chatgpt, open a new chat, and then paste this prompt and send. So it's creating our image. While it's creating our image, I'm going to go to my preferred browser and open Whisk AI. Just search for Whisk AI and it's going to bring out an interface like this when you search for it. So we are going to select this first one, which is from Google Labs. Tap on it and it is going to open out an interface like this. Enter to right here. Once you tap on enter to, you're going to be redirected to an interface where you can paste your prompt to create your own video. So make sure to put your phone on desktop side when you want to use Whisk AI for easy accessibility. Then after you paste your prompts like that and you select the aspect ratio you want, which is the TikTok real size, that is 9:16, which is portrait, and then you send it. So after sending, you just wait for a few minutes and we are going to have our image ready. You can see it's already creating the image. So we just wait for a few seconds and allow it to create our image. One of the things I like with this app is that it is faster than Chatgpt. So it brought out 2 images for us. Let's zoom in and see. You can see the first one. Now let's look at the second one. See the second one. Both of it are actually beautiful, but I am going to download the second one. So I'm going to press down on it and download this image to my phone. So after downloading this image to my phone, then I can now proceed to the next step. But before that, let's compare and contrast with the one we wanted to create on Chatgpt. So I'm going to go back to Chatgpt now and our image is ready. So we are going to see what Chatgpt gave us and compare it with what Whisk gave us. Now this is what Chatgpt gave us. I'm going to press down on it and save it to my phone as well. And after it has saved to my phone, let's check our gallery to see the results. This is the reference image I screenshotted on TikTok. This is the one Whisk AI gave us, and this is the one Chatgpt gave us. So I think I love this one that Chatgpt gave me. I am going to use this particular one. But as you can see, this image too is very amazing. So one of the most important steps in this dancing baby AI video is getting your reference video. That is, someone should already dance that same dancing step you want that AI baby to do. So to get this, we are going to use our TikTok to get a reference video, or you can dance and then use the AI for your video. Once I get to TikTok, what I'm going to look for right now is a dancer, popular dancers that you love their dancing step. I decided to use this lady's Hallelujah challenge dance, be it anyone. As far as it's someone that danced, you can download the video as a reference to create your own dancing baby AI video. So I'm going to save this to my device and we are going to go on to the next step. The last and final step, which is creating your video. Go to your preferred browser to this website. I'm going to provide the link in the description of this video and then tap on sign in. This is the Kling AI API. So once you sign in, you should be given 160 credits. Right now, I am successfully signed in. So you can see where it brought me to. And if I zoom it in below at the right hand side, I have 166 credits, and then you are seeing API here. So don't go directly to the Kling app. Come through this method. The link is in the description of this video. What I'm just going to do is come to the top, like zoom into the top right hand side. You can see image, video. So I'm going to tap on video right now. So after tapping on video and it's brought me into this place, I'm just going to zoom in a bit, zoom in to see the message at the top clearly. You can see at the top here, there's text to video, image to video, motion control. So we have business with the motion control. Tap on motion control. And once you tap on it like that, you're going to bring out this interface. Take a look at this. Add video of character that you want the character to dance like. Then add your original character. Then you can see standard and output. So put it at one output, leave it at standard, then bring in the video you downloaded on TikTok, that video of the person dancing. Bring it in first. After bringing it in, while it's upcoming, tap on the add character image. Please note, my browser is on desktop mode while doing all of this. So as you can see right now, my video is in and the character I want is in. So, and as you can see here, after uploading both, it shows that I have 75 credits to generate, and then I'm just going to tap on generate and ask it to generate my video. And you can see it said task submitted, generation in progress. I'm just going to wait a bit and allow it to generate the video for me. So through this method, you can generate 2 videos from one account. Then you can create another account with another email if you have. You can create another 2 new videos. Or better still, the best way to enjoy this to the fullest without watermark or anything, subscribe to Kling AI. And you get to create videos based on the package you subscribe for. So let's just wait for a few minutes to get our video ready. As soon as our video is ready, I'm just going to zoom in and then look below the screen here. You're going to see something like a download button. So tap on it and then you are going to download it to your phone. You can start sharing it wherever you are. Like I mentioned, since it's a free version, you're going to have Kling AI's watermark. You can crop it out before posting. The original sound to this audio has been muted because of YouTube copyright issue, but you can check out the real video on our WhatsApp channel or Telegram channel using the link in the description of this video.
Now you've seen how easy it is to create a baby dancing AI video once you know the right steps and prompts. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications, because I'll be sharing more AI video tutorials and viral content ideas like this. Also, check the description. I've dropped helpful links and tools there.